Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Roblox password. For that, just open your Roblox game, and now what you need to do is tap on this three dot, and after that you need to scroll down and tap on this logout button to log out from your game. And now what you need to do is you need to tap on this sign in to another account, and then you have to tap on forgot username, and now you have to enter your email address over here and tap on next button, and then it will send you a verification code on your Gmail. That's our verification code. It is our verification code, and we need to use this to reset our password, and this code will let you send a request, and this code will let you send request to reset your password, and you need to enter that code over here, and then you need to enter your new password over here, and you need to enter that same new password over here to confirm it and tap on update password. And that is how you can easily reset your Roblox password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.